Again, so children, we are doing chapter 5 from Flamingo. The name of the chapter is Indigo. And in previous video, seen that Gandhiji did not leave. Instead, he proceeded to Motihari. Okay, so he went to meet, Gandhiji went to meet or visit the farmer, where in a near village. But on the way he was stopped by the messenger of the superintendent of the police, and Gandhiji went with the messenger back to his home, and then the messenger served him a notice to leave Champaran. To whom? To Gandhiji. Gandhiji को उन्होंने एक नोटिस दिया जिसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको चंपारण छोड़ना था. Here Gandhiji accepted the notice and wrote below it that he would disobey the order. So this is what we have seen in our previous video. Now move on next slide. Continue. So in consequences, Gandhi received a summons to appear in court the next day. All night Gandhi remained awake. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with influential friends. He sent instructions to the ashram. He wired a full report to the viceroy. Morning found the town of Motihari black with peasants. They did not know Gandhiji's record in South Africa. They had merely heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities. So their spontaneous demonstration in thousands around the courthouse was the beginning of their liberation from fear of British. So here few words you can see, like consequences means result, influential, third line first paragraph, that is powerful, and in the same line wired, that means telegraph. Merely, only, authorities you all know, officials or power. Spontaneous means voluntary, unforced. Demonstrations means protest. Okay. Or liberation release. So as a result, Gandhi got summoned to appear in court next day. Gandhi ji wasn't able to sleep the whole night. Gandhi ji सो नहीं पाए पूरी रात. उन्होंने किनको टेलीग्राफ करा? राजेंद्र प्रसाद को, और उन्हें बोला आने के लिए बिहार, और ये भी बोला साथ में कि यू गेट सम पावरफुल पीपल अलोंग, and he sent some guidelines to the ashram, also telegraphed the whole matter to the viceroy. So here viceroy, you all know the meaning of viceroy. Viceroy is the term which is derived from Latin prefix vice, which means in the place of, and the French word that is roy, okay, which means king. So viceroy means an official who runs a country or colony or city province. Clear? So here he telegraphed the whole matter to the viceroy also, and next morning Motihari was full of peasants. Full of peasants. Why the author used full of peasants here with black with peasants? Why? Because now everywhere there were only heads of people, so that is why it turned black with peasants. And Motihari was full of peasants as they wanted to support Gandhi, and none of them knew about his works in South Africa. They also knew that there was a Mahatma who wanted to help them and was in trouble due to the officials. And they started gathering. उन्होंने इकट्ठा होना शुरू करा. कहाँ पर? किसके सामने? कोर्ट हाउस के सामने. And this incident was their attempt to setting themselves free from the fear of the British. So felt powerless without Gandhi's cooperation. He helped them regulate the crowd. He was polite and friendly. He was giving them concrete proof that their might, hitherto dreaded and unquestioned, could be challenged by Indians. The government was baffled. The prosecutors requested the judge to postpone the trial, Apparently, the authorities wished to consult their superiors. So here in this, we will see few words. First, concrete means solid, and hitherto, the word which is written before dreaded, that is earlier, or we can say previously, until now. Okay, and unquestioned, not examined or inquired into, baffled, confused, then apparently, seemingly, or evidently. Okay, so children, as the crowd had gathered in front of the court building, so it became very difficult for the officers to control the mob. जो crowd था, जो भीड़ थी, उसको control करना उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. And they had to take Gandhi's help to regulate the crowd. And Gandhi politely told the official that if they would misuse their power, then there were chances that they would have to face a revolt from the Indians. And as the situation was getting tougher, the lawyer requested the court to postpone the trial by some days. And what happened that time? The authorities also decided to first consult the higher authorities. So here it was like that. And Gandhiji protested against the delay. He read a statement pleading guilty. He was involved, he told the court, in a conflict of duties. On the one hand, not to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. On the other hand, to render the humanitarian and national service for which he had come. He disregarded the order to leave, not for want of respect for lawful authority, but in obedience to the higher law of our being. The voice of conscience. He asked the penalty due. The magistrate announced that he would pronounce sentence after a 2-hour recess and asked Gandhi to furnish bail for those 120 minutes. Gandhi refused. The judge released him without bail. So in this paragraph, pleading means the action of making an emotional or this earnest appeal to someone. Okay, conflict, to be against someone, that is conflict. Conscience means sense of right or wrong. Then no other word is difficult, you can understand by your own. So here children, Gandhiji objected. They objected against the delay in the proceeding of the case. किसके अगेंस्ट में थे? आपको समझना चाहिए यहाँ पर, जो उनके केसेस को डिले कर रहे थे उसकी प्रोसीडिंग के. एंड ही read a statement in front of the court in which he accepted his fault in a very humble manner, in a very kind manner. He accepted his fault. He said that he was not a lawbreaker and did not want to go against the law, but his duty towards humanity has a greater influence on him and it forced him to do so. And he refused to leave the town because he wanted to help the sharecroppers as it was his moral duty. So for this magistrate ने पूछा to arrange bail के लिए, because he was going to give his judgment after the 2-hour break. So Gandhiji refused to seek bail, and later on he was released without the bail. When the court reconvened, the judge said he would not deliver the judgment for several days. Meanwhile, he allowed Gandhi to remain at liberty. Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Mazhar Haq and several other prominent lawyers had arrived from Bihar. They conferred with Gandhi. What would they do if he was sentenced to prison? Gandhi asked. Why? The senior lawyer replied. They had come to advise and help him. If he went to jail, there would be nobody to advise and they would go home. So, reconvene means to start again after a small break. Okay. Or conferred means you all know granted. So when the court proceeding restarted, जब दोबारा शुरू हुई proceeding कोर्ट की, तो जज ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया, मना कर दिया to deliver any judgment for many days to come. So he allowed Gandhi to remain free. But some well-known lawyer like Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kumar Babu and Maulana Mazharul Haq, that they came from Bihar, those who had came from Bihar, na, जो बिहार से आए थे, to help and advise Gandhi. So Gandhi asked that if he was sentenced to jail, and then what would be their course of action. So one senior lawyer replied that they were there to help him, and out if he was sentenced to jail, then they would return back. What about the injustice of the sharecroppers? Gandhi ji demanded. The lawyers withdrew to consult. Rajendra Prasad has recorded the upshot of their consultations. They thought amongst themselves that Gandhi was totally a stranger, and yet he was prepared to go to prison for the sake of the peasants. If they, on the other hand, being not only residents of the adjoining districts but also those who claimed to have served these peasants, should go home, they accordingly went back to Gandhi and told him they were ready to follow him into jail. The battle of Champaran is won, he exclaimed. Then he took a piece of paper and divided the group into pairs and put down the order in which each pair was to, quote, arrest. So here children, few words we will see. Injustice, you all know. Unfairness, withdrew, left. A short result means conclusion. Okay. And when Gandhi ji came to know about their decision, so he asked them to help the sharecroppers who were facing unfairness, okay, problems. So Rajendra Prasad and other lawyers, they concluded that if Gandhi could go jail for the people of their area, although he was a strange, then they should also follow him, as they had always claimed to serve the peasants and fought their legal battles too. Or now they all decided that Gandhi ji, if Gandhi ji can go the jail, then they would also follow too. So on hearing this, so Gandhi ji assured them that their struggle for Champaran's peasants had been won. So he divided the group into pairs of two and make a sequence in which they had to voluntarily that surrender in the court. Several days later, Gandhi received a written communication from the magistrate informing him that the lieutenant governor of the province had ordered the case to be dropped, and civil disobedience had triumphed the first time in modern India. And Gandhi and the lawyers now proceeded to conduct a fair-flung inquiry into the grievances of the farmers. So depositions by about 10,000 peasants were written down and notes made on other evidence. Documents were collected. The whole area throbbed with the activity of the investigators and the vehement protests of the landlords. So here that grievances means complaints. Okay, and depositions means a formal written statement. Evidences, you all know, proof. And throbbed means produced a lot of vibration due to a huge crowd. And vehement means showing strong feeling or passionate. Okay, so after some days, the magistrate sent a letter to Gandhi, in which it was written that as far as the order of deputy governor, the case against him had been taken back, and it was for the first time in modern India that a peaceful protest against the government had been won, and Gandhiji and other lawyers carried on with an in-depth investigation into the injustice with the farmers, and statements of about 10,000 peasants were recorded, and this various documents, proofs, they have started collecting. उन्होंने start करा collect करना बहुत सारे proofs और documents, and the whole area vibrated, okay, with the same activity, and the investigators and the protesting landlords, okay, they started protesting landlords. Okay children, we will continue remaining part of the chapter in next video.